it going? I'm going to show you two quick diagnoses for a chainsaw. The first one is you have to check if you have spark, and the best way to do that is to take out the plug and then reconnect the spark plug and pull this and see if we get a little spark. Let's see if we get that first. Okay. Now reconnect that into there, and then we are going to pull the starter, see if we get a spark. Yeah. Fire there. Alright, so the spark plug's not the problem. So put that back in. Pop that on. So, as you can see, it doesn't start. Oh. Just broke the cord. Okay, well, I put a new cord on there. That seems to work. Put that back on the old chainsaw here. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, so you need to check if the carburetor is working or not. So I have an MS200. Take off the air filter. I have the carburetor right there on top in this machine. Now I'm going to put a touch of gasoline in there, mixed of course, so don't get too much. Put my finger over the top. Drip, drip, drip. But that's enough. Let's see if it kicks over. That means there's a problem with the carburetor. It runs.